Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have an outdoor floor lamp. So let's open up, take a look, see what we get inside. So that is kind of like your instruction manual. And basically it kind of gives you the codes for the remote. And then that's actually the assembly. So we'll leave this here. Then we'll open that up. Some packing foam. So here is the top of the light. Let's open that up. And pretty cool. It is solar powered. So we'll leave that facing up. And then we have like a ground spike and some of the adapters. And then you have a USB cable so you can charge it up. We have all the assembly pieces, the remote, and then we have the base. So obviously you can mount it both ways. You can actually use the spike, mount it in the ground, or you can use the base, like if you have a porch and stuff, where I am probably going to use this at. So that is your base. Then these are all posts, and it's cool. It's got like a rubbed bronze color to it. Ground spike is pretty handy. I didn't expect that to actually come in there, but that gives you some versatility. And let's get these connectors out. You got 3 connectors. So this mounts here, and these little connector pieces go in between. So pretty cool. There's this one. I think we're going to go out of frame really quick, so let me just put this next connector point on. Okay, and I'll put this down on the ground. Give you a general idea of how tall this will actually go. Pretty tall. I'm 5'7" and 3/4", so get this little connector on here. I'll mount this. Okay. And then this light actually goes on top, and it has the little charging port here. So in case you have some cloudy days, you do have the ability to actually charge that with the C. And then that was the light. So pretty cool. And then that fits on there like that. So I like that. It's got a power switch, so you don't need the remote. And then it's got a couple different level settings. And then with the remote, you have access to have the timer and stuff with it as well. So like you don't forget about it. You can turn it on with the timer, 3-hour, 5-hour, 8-hour, auto. So basically when the sun comes on, it will turn off automatically as well once it starts charging. But I just love that you have that remote versatility. Anyway, I'm going to put it out on my back deck, let it charge up a little bit more in the sun, and then we'll check it out tonight and see how it looks. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're outside, and let's use the remote, and we'll turn that light on. So it lights up a pretty decent area. Obviously, I do have these rail lights, but let's turn that off so you can see the difference. And again, that's that. Then you have your brightness levels. It can go down all the way up. So let's take a step down and see what it looks like more on the lawn. Okay, so that will kind of give you an idea. So let's go out here more in the darkness. Turn that on. So yeah, okay. That really does cast quite a bit of light out here. then again, we'll turn that off. I gotta be honest with you, I'm kind of really impressed with the amount of light that puts out. So it lights up this whole area of my yard. Let's get that from a different angle over here. All right, so that's with the lights off. Basically pretty dark. Kind of give it perspective. And then back down. Yeah, that is actually really bright. Okay, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.